In this change role demo, I will demonstrate how the change role function works. If you are a VendorView vendor that provides services for more than one waiver agency, VendorView allows you to easily switch between them without having to log out and log back in. Simply click on the Change Role tab, and at this point I can click the Agent Name drop-down list and choose a new waiver agency. Notice at the top I'm still Able Home Care Vendor. The agent was Test Demo Agent until I click the Next button. Once I do that, everything changes. Now I'm seeing clients that belong to HIPAA Claims Training Agency. The Contact Us page in VendorView contains contact information for technical assistance from Center for Information Management. As you can see, there's the address, the phone number, a fax number, and if you needed technical assistance, you could also email the help desk at vendorview@ciminc.com. The website, www.ciminc.com, is the corporate website. If you have specific questions regarding a client you're providing services to for the waiver agent, at the very top on every single page in VendorView, you will note that the waiver agent name and telephone number. So if you do have questions regarding clients, that's who you would contact for that. For technical assistance on how to use VendorView, or you're having problems running a report, etc., that's when you would contact Center for Information Management, or you can email. Care Manager's initials will be displayed throughout VendorView. As you can see here, there is a column on the Notices page for the Care Manager's initials. Also, you will see these initials on all of the reports that you get out of VendorView. The Care Manager's initials are the initials for the waiver agent's Care Manager. In other words, the Care Manager for the client in which you are providing services for. The Care Manager tab provides a quick reference to the Care Manager's first and last names, and in most cases a phone number in which they can be contacted. To get to the Care Managers tab, simply scroll to the far right, and there it is, Care Managers tab, click on it. Here are the initials for the Care Managers, and last name, first name, and phone numbers. You can also sort this by last name. And notice now it's sorted by last name. This list can also be printed. From your browser screen, simply click the File, Print, and send this list to the printer. That way you have a quick reference to who the Care Manager's name is that goes with the associated initials. The help link is located in the top right-hand corner of every VendorView page. This link will take you to a help file which includes frequently asked questions, release notes, and topics. Click on the help link, you are immediately taken into the VendorView online help. The first item in the FAQs is a link to release notes. Release notes will list all the changes that have been made to the VendorView software, with the most recent release first. Once you click on this link, a separate document will open up in Adobe PDF format. What you're seeing on your screen now are VendorView release notes. At the very top will be the release date, for example May 16th, 2008. These are the components that were changed, and this is a brief description of the change. Some changes won't be evident as you're using VendorView, and some of them will. For example, April 24th, we did a release of VendorView which added a field called Route to the current medications report. Because release notes open up into another format, another document window, you can X out of this, or you can choose to print and print out the release notes. Once you're in the VendorView help file, you can access different topics by simply clicking on the topic name. For example, if you want to understand or learn more about the service reports, just click on Service Reports. And here's a listing of the service reports, service authorization summary, etc. The reporting period defaults to 3 months. Basically an online help So you can search that by topics, or if you want to search by a keyword, you can also do that. If you had questions about messages, do a search on that. Down into the messages, go ahead and click on that, and there you have messages help.